Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're going to change the air filter on this 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. Alright guys, pop the hood. And in the front you have this latch. You're just going to put your hand on there, push up, and pull up the hood. Here's your filter right here. It's held down by these torque bits. So you have two in the front, 1, 2, 3 on the side. There's another one here, 2 in the back, and 1 here. All right, guys, before you start unscrewing, just take this off, and this, you squeeze it, and it comes back. Squeeze it on the sides. There you go. These don't come out all the way, they just stay like that. Now the lid comes up. Here's your filter. Just pull it out. And when you're ready to install the other one, just throw it in and put your lid on. All right, don't forget to install your hoses. This one just clicks in place. There you go. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.